Hindi siya laging ganito. Puro kami kalokohan, tsaka jokes, ganyan. Bihira ko siya marinig na seryoso sa letter or sa sasabihin niya. Ayun, akala ko nagsusulat-sulat lang siya kagabi. But ano pala, puno ng feelings yung sinulat niya. So, wala, medyo, yun, touch ang first one. Thank you. Love you. See you later. Hey, Mommy. I was seriously thinking hard about what gift to give you. Kasi naman, parang nasa iyo na lahat. Pati rin ang puso ko. Mamaya naman, sa'yo na rin ang surname ko. Alam mo, naisip ko talaga to kasi yung bag na ginagamit mo ngayon, halos ka-age na ni Dora the Explorer. Dekada na. Kaya bago pa siya tuluyang mag-retire, I figured let's start this new chapter with something fresh and meaningful. Wow, fresh and meaningful. I want you to carry this bag with you wherever you go, filled with all my love and snacks. Thank you for being my best friend, my travel buddy. And the love of my life. Let's fill this bag with memories. Makeup ko. One adventure at a time. Forever yours, Daddy. Wala pa, naiiyak na ako ba yan?
From the moment I met you, I knew you were different. Kasi ang sungit mo. Joke lang. Peace. I still remember calling you idol. Kasi bukod sa matalino, ang talented ko pa. Parang tadhana talaga nung naisip ko kung paano nagsimula lahat sa Dubai. Lugar kung saan akala ko hindi ko mabubuo ang sarili ko. Pero dumating ka and suddenly, everything made sense.
Pero kahit may hadlang pag-ibig, ipaglalaban.
Minsan, ang dami nating plano sa buhay. Pero minsan, may naklaan pala na ibang plano sa atin. Hindi man natin maintindihan yung mga pamamaraan ni Lord, pero I know for sure that He brought us together for a reason. Looking at our child, I can now see why. Yung timeline natin, lugar at sitwasyon, hindi siya nagkataon lang. May mga bagay kasi tayo na dapat pagdaanan at matutunan. Mula sa pag-usbong ng friendship natin, hanggang sa makilala kita ng lubusan. Kahit hakbang mo, oras ng kilos mo, at paghinga mo, kilalang kilala ko na. At marami pa ako na-discover sa pag-evolve mo as a person.
Ikaw ang pipiliin ko.
You taught me that even through the mess, I can still create something beautiful. And when life broke me, it was you who was with me to heal. I had my worst back then, but there you were, making me feel loved and taken care of.
Sabi mo nga minsan, para tayong tubig at langis. Magkaiba ng pananaw dahil sobrang magkaiba yung kinalakihan nating environment. Minsan ang hirap, to the point na gusto ko mag-alsa balukan. But as more years pass by, we try to be more forgiving and understanding. Mas nare-realize natin kung gaano kahalaga yung role natin sa isa't isa, lalo na sa ating munting pamilya.
Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
Dear Honey Bunch, surprise! I hope you like it. I hope you like my simple gift. You're an awesome stud, and I know it will suit you well. ito na yung pinakahintay natin. Maraming nang naging aberya. Through God's grace, may raraos din. Salamat sa pasensya tuwing may panic attack ang Mami Erica mo. Alam mo naman yung mga pinagdaanan natin dito. Anyway, let's enjoy this moment. 2 years ago, nung nagpropose ka. So it's definitely worth the wait. Praying for a nice weather and smooth wedding today. Cheers to forever. See you later. Love you.
The universe conspired to meld our lives and make us fewer and far.
Over the years, things got better nung nagsimula tayo magsimba together. Naramdaman ko yung mercy ni Lord sa buhay natin, lalo na sa mga panahong walang-wala tayo, at saka lalo na nung tumama yung pandemic. I believe those challenges strengthened our relationship for the better. Salamat kasi nung nakilala kita, nakilala ko din yung parents mo. Nakita ko kung paano mahalin ng tatay mo, yung nanay mo, at ganun din ang nanay mo. Dahil sa pamilya mo, nakita ko yung kabuuan ng pagkatao mo.
Remember how we laughed until we cried.
If you believe in fairy tales, I will make sure that our life together feels like one. I've seen the love my parents had for each other. A love that lasted through the years. And I promise to give you that same kind of lasting, never-ending love. Deserve me yan, Mami.
Why it still stands. Someday we will be set free.
Yung mga bagay na komplikado, sa'yo, nagiging simple. Kasi hinubog ka na punong-puno ng pagmamahal. Yung pagmamahal na hindi matitipag ng kahit anong pagsubok. At salamat, pinaranas mo yun sa akin para ma-extend natin sa ating munting pamilya. Thank you for sharing your family with me, for showing me a different world. Thank you for showing me how to live in the present. Mula sa mga simpleng road trips, pagkain ng halo-halo sa madaling araw, coffee date, pagbuo ng mga pangarap sa pamilya natin, at sa marami pang pagdadaanan natin. Mahirap man o masaya, gagawin natin magkasama.
Eyes from your tears will never fail. So clear, you'll be safe.
I know our next level won't be that easy. Mas maraming challenges ang darating, pero handa na akong mas mahalin ka pa at malagaan ka pa. Ikaw, si Arjo at mga magiging anak natin, siguro darating ang time na mapapagod ako or pwedeng ikaw. Pero hindi ako susuko at babalikan ko ang araw na ito ng ating buhay na ikaw at ako ay nanumpa sa harap ng Diyos. Thank you for being everything. I'm excited for the future we will build together. I'm ready to face it all with you. I love you, my honey bunch, my mommy, and now my wife.
You'll be safe.
Sasamahan kita hanggang sa pagputi ng mga buhok natin. Kahit lumabo pa yung mga mata o maging ulyanin pa. Sisikapin ko maging mabuting asawa sa iyo at ina sa anak natin. You are my chaos, but you are my peace. You are my best friend, the love of my life. You are my home.
Put your